Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of basin veg omelette. It's an totally veg, yes, without any non-veg, no eggs, and you can feel like a 70% when you feel it taste. And with the help of basin, I am making an veg omelette, and the ingredients are 200 grams basin, 1 big onion chopped, ginger garlic paste, and little bit chili powder, 2 spoons, salt as required, and green chilies chopped, cumin seeds, turmeric, and it's an antibiotic and for fast healing, jeera and cumin powder, pudina, curry leaves chopped, and for oil for frying. This is the veg omelette recipe. It's total and different. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Now you can take flour, and salt, 2 spoons is enough, onions, salt as required, turmeric, green chilies, 2 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste, homemade, and next add pudina and curry leaves, mix it with the powder and add into this. Next add cumin seeds, crush it nicely, because when you are adding in this directly you can see floating on top the items, that's why crush it. Then add for liquid, add water and make like dosa batter consistency, and mix it nicely, check the consistency. Now batter is ready, same like you can see, same like egg batter. Now add oil little bit and resist for minimum 10 minutes and make a omelette. It's veg omelette. It's on the flame. And pour oil, and heat it, then pour batter, spread evenly. Then cook it on a low flame for minimum 3 minutes and check it. Add top oil little bit for helping cooking. When you are making besan omelette, it will break easily, so cut into 2 pieces. Or you can make 4 pieces also. Because of besan, it will break easily. Cut into 4. Then roast another side. You can cut into 4 triangles. Then you can see how it is cooked. It's same like egg omelette texture. I cut it into triangle shape. Next, take into serving plate. We'll show the besan omelette and see same exact. And when you eat, you can feel same like egg omelette only. And it will bake easily. So when you are making an omelette, cook it on a low flame and cook it and remove nicely, or you cut into 4 pieces, then remove it. Thanks for watching.